Major markets in Imphal city remain shut in protest against implementation of Article 371 Clause A of the Indian Constitution. JDU says Congress and BJP must be held responsible if territorial integrity of Manipur is acted upon reaching a conclusion to framework agreement. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee alleges BJP and its allied political parties of creating issues to disintegrate Manipur's territorial integrity. JSCC resolves not to partake any government-sponsored celebrations including Independence Day until Manipur University issue is resolved. And JCILP's asserts base year of Manipur People's Bill 2018 cannot be changed from 1951 to 1971 at any cost. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangtam, bringing you the top stories. Shops and business establishments at Khwairambin Market and other major markets in the heart of Imphal Valley remained closed in support of the protest called by the Joint Committee of Akomlub, Kanglamai, Ipsa, Case, ACLK, Kil, Ipak and Pandam against implementation of Article 371 Clause A of the Indian Constitution in the state today. As part of the protest, market vendors and shopkeepers halted their services till noon today. Large number of police personnel, including Imphal West SP, maintained a strict security vigil at various areas since early morning to prevent any untoward incidents. The protesters chanted various slogans demanding the Indian government not to act in favor of a particular community, not to compromise the territorial integrity of Manipur, and urging all 60 MLAs of Manipur to take a unanimous decision to protect the integrity of the state. Speaking to media persons, President of Kanglamai, Y. Leidik Laima, asserted that a violent June 18 incident will undoubtedly repeat if the Indian government enforces Article 371 Clause A in the state. All shops at Pauna Bazaar, Thangal Bazaar, Khuyathong, Nagamapal and Uripok also remained closed in the support of the protests.
Sarkar paibiriba punamana kuthakta assembly phamaga madu satna halloy na lauthokpidri phaudi akhoi irang loiba nairoi Bharat Sarkar na Manipur da leiba phuru khudingmak tokhai na madu hapsalak pataragadi Bharat Sarkar da yari gai phongjang kaya chamsangi gani akhoi tokhai ta base akhoi khatana ta ran ti tawriba khudingmak se tokhai ta ba law haina ani koina masigi matangda moisu pirep chapcha ba law haiba da ti punamak su hairaga Hairiba Yakse Gasigi ada Pamiba Parliament Pumse Asisina Lautor Payaroi Manipuri Assembly na Tang Taratagi Panga Duriba Mi Pumse Asida Sapjaba Philip Low the Bataragadi Manipur the Ran Tiwala Amata Barata Tilhalaroi
Article 371 Clause A Manipur da sungchat chatnaba yaroi masi chatnaba matamda Manipur si machet tana kaigani Manipur kaiba haiba se June 31 misimina kayamam thokre aduna masidagi henba akanba ihau lakani assembly sida Article 371 Clause A se pukhatana masi channa danaba warep lawbiu masinga moidawbo oiragana MLA humpumak pham thadokpiu.
Sit-ins also held against implementation of Article 371 Clause A at Khuyathong, Kumbong Bazaar and Tera Bazaar today. Speaking on the occasion, President of Apunba Mitai Laima Maira Lup, Manipur Ke Guni Laima urged the Indian government to stop divide and rule policy. He appealed the state and the centre to act according to the interests of the public and further warned of resorting to various agitations if the government continues to pay no heed to their demand.
Tungda horaiba isa isu mayamji yelonga isaktam mang bataragadi kari woigadage haibasi Manipur government khanbiyu ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯇꯨꯡꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯈꯨꯝꯕꯣꯡ ꯕꯖꯥꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯙꯔꯅꯥ ꯐꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯙꯔꯅꯥꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯋꯦꯁ 1ꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯅꯣꯡꯖꯝ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯇꯅ ꯍꯪꯒꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯁꯛꯅꯤ.
President of Janata Dal United JDU Manipur State Unit Hangkangpao Taithul asserted that both major political parties in the state, namely Congress and BJP, should bear equal responsibility if the territorial integrity of Manipur is compromised in any manner. Speaking to media persons at JDU office today, Taithul inquired the motive of the Congress leaders for the centre regarding MU issue. He further questioned if it would have been substantial if the Congress worked hands in glove with the state government to resolve the issue. The president maintained that both parties could have jointly urged the centre for a quick resolution to the issue. Taithul further asserted that the BJP-led state government alone cannot be held accountable for the issues in the state, as issues was already emerged during the Congress rule in the state. On the other hand, the party president also expressed happiness at MP Harivansh Narayan, National General Secretary and Northeast in charge of JDU, on being elected as the Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha. It may be recalled that Harivansh had earlier announced that representatives of JDU will stand for any election in the state. The JDU president affirmed that members of the party will approach Harivansh and bring him to the state. As a part of the event, a reception program was also held for the youth president and general secretary of the state.
National Party Singsina Hecta State ki Ayaba Kaya Yaw Hangaga Supare Hangdra Supare Hectori Base Masi Hectoba Matamda National Party Sing ye party mean a state ruling Oiba Matam the Moing Ngang Bangam there. Say Hojik Kainoma Ekorama sign Torba Matamda Aina Ekai Humnazaraba Honorable Chief Minister NBR and Sina Karibu Haibangam Dori Marijain Tobangam Gadro. Likewise, before him in the previous government, in the previous years, Toba Matamda, Sida leadership Amana, Masi Todo already, a Asumana Togani Hydra, Mayam Togan Nabayo in sacrificial Kaributaba Lerabra, Ledo Manbra, Janata Donadi, Madu Tazaba like there. Madam D, Madam Dugi, vote Panganaba, Sarkara Mupai Janaraba, SOO, Kendo Gazeraro, NSN IM, ceasefire. Vote Pangnabagi Toramini, Aduna, Canada. Manipur the heck Kairak Patara Canada Taina Gatagay Hibakanda, JDU Manipur Pongdok Chari, Congress, Sarkar, Congress ka BJP na daito pum na mapuja ka dogni.
Spokesperson of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Kumukcham Joykishan has alleged the BJP and its allied political parties of creating issues to disintegrate Manipur's territorial integrity. Addressing media persons at Congress Bhavan BT Road today, Kumukcham Joykishan said MPCC has been demanding since 2017 to disclose the contents of the framework agreement signed between Indian government and NSTN-IM. However, its effort we are shown in the bad light. He said now the situation has worsened, that even the state government is apprehensive about threat to the state's territory by the framework agreement. The spokesperson warned of upheaval in the state in the wake of rising mass movements by people across the state.
Manipur Thugaigadaba Haina Singnariba Party City, BJP Amadi Marcus Minaba Party in Hibase, Masi Kangbi, Congress Party integrity compromise Amata Tawdabida, quite Maru Bashe, Kogi State Chicken, Bani Hadana, opposing the Pamlagasu, Manipur Kaigadaba Kambu Amataga, Equi, Tabak Toro Haduna, Masi Chataraki, Nashima Kayamul of Topiuna. I couldn't dialogue, couldn't dialogue. Center Git Paliba Shri Narendra Modi Shakak dialogue, Manipur people Kaigadaba, Karigum Bemta Lahaloena, Lautopiu. Karigid no Queen problem, talk to say. Nasik Manipura, Imam Mamna Nunang, the Nasi Chaliba, Manipura Shiasho organization Mamna, Pakatna Chacheriba, Nungang da Nasi, Lekai Kudimuta Mairagi release Shakalaiba, Masi Karino, BJP Shakar seem to 1 minute.
Taking part in the press meet, MLA K. Ranjit asserted that it is now well known that NSC and IM is trying to disintegrate Manipur. He went on to allege that BJP and NDA government at the centre is openly supporting the NSC and IM's demand for Greater Nagaland supra-state. He termed BJP and NSC and IM as the two sides on the same coin. He also reminded that Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren failed to give any clarification on the memoranda submitted during a reception program for the new government held in Ukhrul, which contained demand for support to the Indo-Naga Framework Agreement and to deploy National Highway Protection Force. He alleged that Chief Minister Biren's failure to give any clarification but choosing to remain silent regarding the memoranda during the meeting held on the same day proves that the state government favors disintegration of Manipur.
Manipur thugainaba mawong ama natraga mawong do thugainaba siliba NSN IM siga BJP gadi paisa amagi mamai anigumbane aduna ada center gi yaka yenga ngairaga leiriba sigi sarkar se masina sum matam sangna leiraba Manipur kaibidi isoidre haining haba yam soleba decision lobungam de assembly farming ai da khanna se di yadaba kirak padagira khangak padagira special session ne kauraga speaker leitaba matam de assembly farmne na kausanba sibu lugraba sugi timing sida somaina tobase akhoi Manipur praja se sika suleitana khanbagi mongda khutta power paire ga na pangtau toba manba basi tung koina chatpa yaroi.
Opposition leader Ogrami Bobi has reiterated Congress' stance to protect the unity and integrity of the state. The former chief minister gave the assurance to representatives of UCM and Amukol led by 6 Maira Paibi members when the team went to Congress Bhavan to submit a memorandum today. The memorandum contained demands to disclose the details of the framework agreement, to convey an assembly session to take a unanimous stand, and all the political parties to pressurize the centre to protect the integrity of the state. The opposition leader asserted that the 2001 June 18 incident took place during the rule of BJP government. He maintained that the Congress has always been firm with their stand to protect the state and will remain so. Ibobi said the Congress restriction to Muiva from entering the state is the clear evidence of Congress stand. On the other hand, former Deputy Chief Minister Kai Khangam strongly condemned the statement of a civil society organization that Congress and BJP must be held responsible if the territorial integrity of the state is affected upon reaching a conclusion to the framework agreement. He maintained that Congress has been urging the centre to disclose the details of the framework agreement signed between NSC and IM and the centre on August 3, 2015. He assured that the Congress is always in support of the CSOs and public to protect the integrity of the state.
Politics ki advantage logi haidra tawjaba natte khudong sa lawba natte akhoi Manipur sta mo thoka da wo ure akibo poe akhoi punam ase khongkhum che lenin na kana masi nak thok khsi natte de akhoi I he habya natte habise ya nongna bi BJP party BJP government le government sena karem na dana istauthi na Congress party se later thauthi ni akhoi punam interest ne Manipur interest sopaya de haven mase akhoi Congress party de ki nate akhoi punam ke ne imagine sing na adu civil society ma ya ta do in one voice ngai be mase akhoi kholau se akhoi common no be kholau ke punam na ta se BJP su saka pai to yo se ya ba nai de
Joint Students Coordination Committee JSCC, a conglomerate of students' bodies, namely MSU, MSF, KSA and SUG, has resolved not to partake any program or celebration organized by the government, including the Independence Day celebration, until the Manipur University impasse is resolved. Speaking to media persons at Amuko's office at Kwakaithal today, convener of JSCC, NG Milan, asserted that the university issue has been going on since the last 73 days. But both the state government and the centre remained indifferent, criticizing the government for not considering the future of 1 lakh students whose careers are at stake. The JSCC has resolved not to partake any program organized by the government, including the Independence Day celebration. The organization further appealed to students of all schools and colleges in the state to support their movement.
India ki Independence Day pangthong nana ba government na chaw chaw ba senpham mayam ma kai thare haraga tongan ba college sing institution sing high school sing high secondary school sing da Independence Day of India se pangthong nana ba sem sari ba se akhoi JCC ki maike de gi Manipur gi mahiroi community da masi akhoi support togum si India ki Independence Day pangthong nana ba
Students of colleges in Imphal Valley have protested in demand for ousting of VC Pandey from Manipur University and to restore normalcy in the academic atmosphere of the university. Students stated under the initiative of all Manipur Student Union, Manipur Student Federation, Democratic Student Association, Manipur Kanglai Park Student Association, Student Union of Kanglai Park and Apun Baki Mahairoi Simpang at Manipur College, Modern College, Bodhachandra College and Imphal College today. Students of different colleges in various districts of the state will be carrying out protest meet in demand for the same tomorrow.
Thani supna ta sena satagi punsibu hekdam maning mang khangde ol bande athu matam lokthokadabani siwe lokthoktragadi ta sena akhoi ngai jathaje pradesh dagi jo hen na ta sena sidena akan mong da jathajarakani mara sengmu khangal lai ebi bande athu matam tanthokpigo sengna akhoi manipur dagi ta sena aduga manipur gi satra singsigi ta sena asengmu masak to amtang ni lahan biu ta sena.
Students of SK Women's College, Nambol also staged a protest meet in solidarity to the movement of students' organization demanding removal of Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University, AP Pandey at Nambol Sabalaikai Community Hall today. Taking part in the sit-in, General Secretary of the college, Wahengbam Nandarani, alleged the government of choosing to retain Vice-Chancellor Pandey instead of resolving the Manipur University issue. Around 70 students took part in the protest. Students of Imphal College also protested by forming human chain in front of the college gate, demanding removal of MU Vice-Chancellor and declaration of their semester examination. JCILPS has reiterated not to change the base year 1951 of the Manipur People's Bill 2018 recently passed in Manipur Legislative Assembly on July 23rd. Addressing media persons at JCILPS office, Sega wrote today, convener of JCILPS, Yunamcha Dilip Kumar asserted that the bill was passed after consulting all the communities in the state. He termed it unfortunate that misleading information was circulated regarding approval by the Home Minister for changing the base year from 1951 to 1971 after being approached by some non-Manipuris from Thangal Market and Ziribam. Dilip Kumar asserted any modification to the bill has been intimated first to JCILPS. However, changing the base year of 1951 will never be accepted. He also said the previous government approved setting of Manipur Population Commission in 2015. However, it has not materialized till date. The convener reiterated that an ultimatum will be served to the government regarding the issue. He assured of strict measures by JCILPS to check influx of outsiders in the state in the wake of Assam's NRC list and urged the government to take measures for the same. Dilip Kumar also demanded the state government to declare its disapproval on passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 in Parliament.
Hai riba 1951 bejer oiba si tarai no erokonate masi miyamgi apun bo kholau dugo lena na sangsal lakbaga miyamgi wakhalona si punna Manipur state government thammaganda bejer 1951 si oirakibanina tarai ne heta hojikto hongdo haraga yagadaba sununate hai beje state assembly na pass of river bill na se hoji governor da action launa bagi damga thami asigum bagi chairak sai si da governor da natragan india gi president da wakhal ani thongna na bagi masida akogi negative impression na pong na bagi propaganda ka torko se masi yam laibak thibani masi makoina phana kan laujarasu beja 1951 haibje hongba sungya yaroi hana JCILPS ma ge thami.
BJP Manipur Pradesh has termed the allegation made by CLP leader Okrami Bobi against the BJP-led state government as being anti-national and uncivilized as an act to malign the BJP. It may be recalled that a CLP leader slammed the BJP government after police stopped Manipur Pradesh Congress committee members from taking out a 76 Quit India Movement Commemoration Day rally yesterday. Briefing media persons at BJP office in NPI Patutek this afternoon, Chief Spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Professor S. Tikin, said the areas where the Congress party tried to take out the rally were declared hypersensitive areas since 2001. As for the lack of response from authority concerned regarding permit to carry out the rally as claimed by the Congress party, Tikin clarified that authority concerned had intimated the party to carry out the rally elsewhere. The chief spokesperson termed the allegation by the Congress party that the BJP-led state government gave restrictions from paying floral tributes to the statue of Mahatma Gandhi in MG Avenue as unfounded. He also questioned if the rally was in commemoration of the 76 Quit India movement to pay tributes to the statue of Mahatma Gandhi, while banners with remove AP Pandey were utilized during the rally.
Rally se Quit India movement haugi adugumba dubu ningsing boina laikat patsatpani hairaga masidi removal of Pandey movement oira me rally to sei tara manga supna shason torpa congress ki matam se 1819 dagi 1826 paw da sei tare kuntak pa haidana ngasi baw da history ta kawya da thodok adutagi hen sathiba sei tara manga kuntak pa haiba shason adu oidana masing chingam draba mi mayam ama hatpagi tupagi Supreme Court 1528 cases fag encounter da extrajudicial killing the hatpagi case to Supreme Court na thakharak tana tigat na pagi honariba session satharing aita masamang session to minister na leading aita Ravina Amati Sanjit Kharun Maya no main kaptan hat ki Manorama ki rape case citizens na masama tanda mai thadana Vishnu Prasad chijagi ba Robin Hood Maya da smoke bomb capsule lera ga hat ki bani adu ma kangku sing adu nga sidi sorok tholak tana prajanu shiba sadana sarkar uthai ga dabani kyam kuina lehen chige kai bo wahang tawtana nga sidi mu crocodiles tear thadare hairaga Manipur praja se hanagi how to count and Misha Chaningi, Minu Namningi, Haibagi, Kolau, Lauba, Chapman.
15 Imphal Municipal Corporation corporator, including 8 BJP and 7 Congress corporator, who have recently resigned in demand for removal of the alleged insufficient mayor of the IMC staged a sit-in at IMC office today. Taking part in the protest meet, Corporator of Sagolban Ward No. 4, RKJTN expressed discontentment and stated that Imphal Municipal Corporation has no caretaker as the inefficient mayor is functioning as per his whims. He drew the attention of the government to look into the matter at the earliest.
Semkiba kogi tender committee amada sinaraga parking ase niwom chana tawno baina sin giba adubu madu namjallaga huju file sungai leitaba kosira sida mayor na chejam mamde heta order pungdok thokpa hariba che 3 surubane hayeng dagi parking gi paisa amta pibi gano unauthorized leiba parking ase moi tarani thoina minority tarabania masana khangna pham thadokam thoi haiba wafam jingwa thamjage kanage chu koi house ke chu ayaba yawdana kosira sida moina order pungdok da thokpa simasu khoi yamna thuna kaktapiyo natragadi sidagi henba khongjang makan sangtarakani loinana sarkar sinasu sigumbagi kaino singche misappropriate tawraba paisa lana sijinaraba mong tadrabase khara yengchenbiyo haiba wafam je thamjari.
JC against a custodial killing of 5 Manipuris, namely G. Jiteshwar alias Gypsy, T.S. Chatish, Thaunawjum Prem, R.K. Ranel and Pijam now be staged sit-ins at various places today. The JC demanded to hand over the mortal remains of G. Jiteshwar alias Gypsy and T.S. Chatish to investigate extrajudicial execution of the 5 Manipuris by an independent investigating agency to repeal of a spa from Manipur and to award befitting punishments to the army officials and other associates involved in the murders. Lalambung Makong Takhelambam Laikai Semgat Sagat Apun Lup and Kongnang Kong Mairapai Bi Apumba Lup jointly held protest meet at the Joint Community Hall of Thangmaiban Khomdram Selungba Laikai. The JAC along with Poire Ita also held a sit-in at Keshampat Lairen B Community Hall. The protesters distributed pamphlets containing their demands to passerby.
Manipur dagi Armed Force Special Power Act Octokadabani. Masi akogi Maira Singh, Maira Kudimaki Dimani. Masiki Royana, Gypsy Amasung Mahakaloina, Tamina give a musing, Pagi Badu Kudakta, my mem the Sinagadabni, Makogi Lan, Kang Power, I couldn't have Malatan Kongjang Tankingani. फिजम नाउगी मतंगदा मियाथिन हतोक पिहवा मागी लंगना जिनसु अथुब मतम दे बिगदबनी इंडियन आर्मी ना आइन सिगी मरुम दा चथरिबा अमुबा आइन सिगी मरुम दा चथरिबा मियोट मिनै कया से खुदक तगी लेपदबनी हाइबसे मैरा लुपसिंगी दिमानी.
A two-day district-level conference on transition skills and preparation began at Manipur Press Club today. The conference is jointly organized by National Institute for Empowerment of Persons with Multiple Disabilities, Chennai, and All Manipur Disabled and Handicapped Persons Development Agency. Speaking on the occasion, State Commissioner Disabilities Manipur, Dr. R.K. Kumarjit, lamented that disabled individuals in the state do not fully get all the welfare benefits despite various government and private NGOs taking up various welfare projects for them. He stressed the need to provide various vocational trainings to the physically challenged individuals and empower them to sustain their livelihoods. Dr. Kumarjit emphasized the need for the state government to have sincere consideration for the disabled individuals. He further called on the public not to discriminate the physically challenged. 5 resource person will speak on various topics during the conference.
State sida laiba multiple disabilities mayam sida akoina chauraga angang origi matamda chaudri bawba adulthood phangdri ba matam ji bawda araiba vocational training se samna harabada akoi embroidery gumba dagi kauna gi product gumba saba khotba adamai tawduna tailoring gumba macha macha yamna kokti yamna sangdaba akoi hingjabagi thabo ama phangbai khudong jaba ipan tangdre himung ambagi oirakpa yabagi phiom du future du yenga akoi sumba si hona bibani.
As a part of the security measures ahead of Independence Day on August 15th, a team of Imphal East District Police under the supervision of SP Imphal East conducted a cordon and search operation at Haukip Wang and adjoining areas this morning. The team led by additional SP Operation Imphal East, M. Kumarzit, DSP Commando, Thankochon Haukip SDPO Porompat, Sankarjit Loitongpam and OC Commando, T. Kogan conducted the operation from 5:25 to 7:05 am. Personnel of Narcotics Cell, Women Police, Reserve Lines, Porompat Police and Commando Imphal East accompanied the team. A total of 725 persons, including 204 women, were verified during the operation. 7 persons, including 3 women without proper identification documents, were taken to Porompat Police Station for further verification. A combined team of Bishnupur Commando and Bishnupur Police also conducted a similar condor and search operation at Bishnupur Ward number 4 this morning. The team, under the supervision of additional SP Operation KSH Manihar, led by Bishnupur Commando OC Inspector B. Lunthang Wi-Fi, conducted the operation. Altogether, 355 individuals, including 150 women, were verified during the operation. 1 person without proper identification documents was handed over to Bishnupur Police Station for further verification. JSC All Manipur DPC completed candidate of Police Constable Male 2013 batch in a press release clarified that the JSC has not called for any total shutdown or ban. The JSC clarified that Lai Mayum Nandakishore Sharma, who announced a ban from this midnight in the JSC's name, is not a part of the JSC and assured the public not to apprehensive about the same. The 48-hour general strike in the hilly districts of the state called by all tribal student union Manipur Atsum has affected normal life in Mori. The general strike was called against the prolonged closure of Manipur University because of the over 70-day All Manipur University issue. Banks and post offices remain closed in Mori town due to the general strike, which started from the midnight of August 9 and will continue till the midnight of August 11. KSO Mori, in support of the general strike, also blocked Imphal Mori National Highway number 102. Vehicles coming from Imphal towards Mori were halted at Kondong Lairenbi checkpost and let the passengers travel on feet. BSNL subscribers in Moreh will not get service for the next couple of days due to the disruption in the BSNL landline service. It may be mentioned that lightning damaged some machines and landline cards of Moreh Telephone Exchange yesterday around 1. Sources said the machines are to be repaired by mechanics from Imphal. However, the subscribers will face the inconveniences for a couple more days as the mechanics cannot reach Moreh due to the ongoing 48-hour general strike called by ATSM. Moreh Power Substation, which was inaugurated in Moreh 2 months ago with the objective of supplying electricity to every household, remains non-functional even today. When Impact News team visited Moreh to inquire the frequent power cuts in Chikimkhul, the newly inaugurated 132 by 33 kV power substation was found to be completely abandoned and unattended by the staff. When the team inquired the reason for the absent security personnel on duty, explained that the staff have not come to the station for a long time. They said electricity is being supplied from a substation currently. It may be recalled that Power Minister Thongam Biswajit had assured that the substation will provide electricity to 99% of the households in Moreh. Inhabitants of the area appealed to the government to make the 132 by 33 kV power substation functional at the earliest. Bharatiya Kisan Sangh BKS Manipur Prant pressed the need for adequate supply of urea to farmers in the state. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Secretary General of Bharatiya Kisan Sangh BKS Manipur Prant Telem Dhara said farmers in the state who are already suffering from irrigation issue are now faced with a lack of adequate urea. He lamented that despite the government's repeated announcement on media that farmers will be supplied with adequate urea, the reality is far from the truth. He intimated that government subsidized urea bag for 266.80 rupees are being sold openly by private retailers at around 700 to 750 rupees at various places of Manipur. Dara said BKS Manipur Prant approached the Agriculture Department on July 24 and gave advance for 300 bags of urea to be distributed to farmers, but the department provided only 100 bags on August 1st. He disclosed that a memorandum was submitted by BKS Manipur Prant to the Prime Minister, the Union Agriculture Minister, the Chief Minister and the Agriculture Director on August 9th to look into the plights facing around 4 lakh farmers of the state. He urged the government to make adequate urea available for the farmers and warned of agitations if government fails to meet their demand.
Bharatiya Kisan Sanghana Manipur doubling farmer income ONG Hairagadi policy Marikak Sembio higher. Agriculture policy Sembio, land use policy Sembio, water policy Sembio, Aroibada credit policy Sembio. Lomi Singsu, Nasidi, Akoi, Mikap Tominarsi, Bharatiya Kisan Sanghana, Manipuri Lomuri, Lak Marigi the Mukta, Pong Lepi. Bharatiya Kisan Sanghana, Manipur doubling.
Vice President of MPCC and MLA of Thangmaiban Assembly Constituency, Khomukcham Joykishan, has extended financial assistance to ISTB sub-editor Akam Kuleshwar alias Imotomba, who is currently undergoing treatment at RIMS Intensive Coronary Care Unit ICU. The minister visited patient members of his family and wished him a fast recovery during the visit. Speaking to media persons on the sidelines of the visit, the MLA expressed apprehension at the inability of the state government to resolve major issues of the state, including Manipur University impasse and Indo-Myanmar border dispute. He said people in the state resorted bans and general strikes because of the inefficiency of the government. Joykishan asserted that all forms of agitations will cease to exist once the government resolves the prevailing issues.
Hojik Praja Mayamnasu Ban Pamde, Adu Ban Karigi Tauribano, Manipur University Wato, Manipuri, Mahiro Lishing Mang Bayabagi Pium Laklabada, Government Asina Mapukchil Sengbanamita, Mushugi, Wapam Loshengani, Sri Pande, Shuti Lawi Amohajan, Lodi Amohai. Akoigi Tungi Yumbi Ogidriba, Ishai now Mayamaski Matatan Namtak to Viva. Akoigi Tungi Yumbi Ogidri Mayamash Sangaliba Ozame and Namtak Torakanda, Kamai Grokadom the no Ban blocket Luidorish. Sarkar Sina. Pukchil Sengbanamita, Lady Balanga Asina, transparent on a Tabuta Unamita, Ban blockade at the Loy, and have a say. I have not sarkar se thamba wafam ni ban ta hon basiti lairi ba government sine lairi ba sin government sina pukjel segma numita hai nongala dum ban loi ni ase sine ne myam da thamjani
MLA of Kaira Assembly constituency Laurembam Rameshwar presented wheelchairs to 4 bedridden individuals in the constituency today. Speaking to media persons, the MLA stated that he presented the wheelchairs with the hope to help the bedridden individuals resume their normal life. He also mentioned that 10 wheelchairs were distributed in the constituency on earlier occasions and further assured of assistance in the future. Project manager and staffs of District Handloom and Textiles Imphal East today felicitated Handloom Inspector of the office, TH Ibiaima, who bagged a gold medal in the Master and Women Equipped National Powerlifting Championship 2018 held at Kachikode in Kerala from July 26 to 29. North-East Zone qualifying matches for the Sub-Junior Boys National Football Championship will be played at Mizoram from August 20 to 25th. All Manipur Football Association in a press release informed that Manipur's team of 20 players comprising of 2 goalkeeper, 7 defender, 7 midfielder and 4 forward are ready to compete in the championship under the aegis of All India Football Federation. And before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Major markets in Imphal City remain shut in protest against implementation of Article 371 Clause A of the Indian Constitution. JDU says Congress and BJP must be held responsible if territorial integrity of Manipur is factored upon reaching a conclusion to framework agreement. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee alleges BJP and its allied political parties of creating issues to disintegrate Manipur's territorial integrity. JSCC resolves not to partake any government-sponsored celebrations including Independence Day until Manipur University issue is resolved. And JCRPS asserts base year of Manipur People's Bill 2018 cannot be changed from 1951 to 1971 at any cost.